Good morning, students. The topic of today's session is soccer. At the end of the session, you should be able to describe how a soccer match is played, describe what a pass is, describe what a dribble is, and explain how the ball is received. Let us look at how a soccer match is played. A proper soccer game is played with 11 players on the field for one team, 10 players plus a goalkeeper or goalie. The field has four boundary lines, two sidelines, also known as the touchline, and two goal lines. Players must wear shorts, shirts, shin pads, shoes, and socks. The game is started with a kickoff. When the ball goes out of bounds over the touchline, a throw-in is awarded to the team who did not touch the ball last, putting the ball back into play. A goal kick is awarded when the opposing team kicks the ball over their offensive goal line. A corner kick is awarded when the defending team kicks the ball over their defensive goal line. A goal is scored once the ball fully crosses the goal line of the opponent. The objective of the game of soccer, also known in some countries as football, is to drive a soccer ball into the opposing team's goal to score a point. The team that scores the most points by the end of a soccer match wins. Let us look at the passing technique. A pass is an action getting the ball from one player to the other. In this session, I'm talking about the inside of the foot pass. The objective of passing is to move the ball quickly among teammates to keep it away from opponents and ultimately to put the ball into position for a shot on the goal. Fly. Tips on side foot soccer passing technique. Use the inside of the foot. That is the area from the base of the big toe to the central area of the heel on the ankle bone. Kick foot at right angles to the ball. Belly button should be facing the player receiving the pass. Non-kicking foot alongside the ball. Knee and ankle joints held firm. Body over the ball. Heady, steady, eyes on the ball. Use the arms to keep balance. Hit through the ball's horizontal midline. That way it will keep low. Kicking foot follows through towards the target. In Let us look at the dribbling technique. In soccer, dribbling is maneuvering a ball by one player while moving in each direction, avoiding defenders' attempts to intercept the ball. A successful dribble will bring the ball past defenders legally and create opportunities to score. Here are some key points to pay attention to. Lock your ankle, point your toe down. Push ball forward with your laces. Keep dribbling foot ahead of non-dribbling foot. Let us look at the technique of receiving the ball. Receiving the ball. The skill of receiving in soccer is the individual act of obtaining the ball from a pass or an interception, getting it under control, and then setting it up in a proper position for performance of the next skill. In our session, we're looking at the technique using the inside of the foot. To receive a soccer ball, you want to be out in front with the body part and then relax the body part to take the pace or momentum of the ball as you receive it so that it doesn't bounce away. We have looked at how a soccer match is played. We have looked at the passing technique and how it is executed. We have looked at the dribble technique and how it is executed. And we have also looked at how the ball is received and how that technique is executed. Thank you for your attention and cooperation, and see you in the next session.